In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable background play in YouTube Music. We will use the web player in your mobile browser so your music keeps going even when you leave the app. First, open Google Chrome or Safari on your phone. Look for the app icon on your home screen or in your app list, then tap it once. When the browser opens, you should see either a start page with top sites or a blank tab ready for a web address. If another site opens, that is fine. We just need any browser tab active. Next, go to the YouTube Music web player. In the address bar at the top, type music.youtube.com, then tap Go. Give it a moment to load fully. You should see the YouTube Music logo at the top, along with a search bar and rows of albums and playlists. If you are not signed in, the page may ask you to log into your Google account, which helps it remember your music and recommendations. From there, open your browser menu and select Desktop Site. In Chrome, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. In Safari, tap the small AA icon in the address bar. In both browsers, look for an option that says Desktop Site and tap it once. The page will reload and things will look a bit smaller, more like what you see on a computer screen. Scrolling may feel different now, since the desktop layout fits more on the page at once. Now search for and play your music. Use the search box at the top to type the name of a song, artist, or playlist, then choose one result and tap it to start playing. You should see the player controls appear at the bottom of the page with play and pause, a progress bar, and next and previous buttons. Wait until you hear the music playing clearly through your speakers or headphones. Once it is playing, go back to your phone home screen using your device home button or gesture. The audio will pause at this point, so silence here is expected and does not mean anything is broken. After that, swipe down to open your phone control center or notification shade. Look for the lock screen style media widget that shows the YouTube Music track title and playback bar. On many phones, this appears near the top with a small thumbnail image of the album art. Tap the play button on that widget one time to start the audio again. The music now continues even while you stay on your home screen or switch into other apps, and you can pause or skip directly from that same widget whenever you want. You have now turned the YouTube Music web player into a simple background player on your phone, so your songs keep going while you multitask. If this walkthrough helped you get background play working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more practical how-tos.